Hello and welcome to Emifast. I'm Arturo, your go-to expert for tax mitigation and business incorporation. And today we're covering how to issue a birth certificate in the UAE. Whether you're a new parent or need just a document for official purposes, understanding the process can save you time and hustle. To request a birth certificate in the UAE, there are three main ways to apply: through the website, the Mabruk Mayak package, or at a public health center or hospital. For the website, you'll receive an SMS with a notification number and the location of the service provider. Sign in to the e-services, submit your application, and pay the fees online. You can receive the certificate by delivery or by visiting a public health center for verification and matching of original documents. The Mabruk Mayak package is an e-service for UAE national newborns, reducing necessary visits from 7 to 1. This service includes the issuance of a birth certificate, editing the baby to the family book, registration in the population register, and issuing a passport and Emirates ID. The father must apply and both parents must be UAE national. The birth must occur in a participating hospital and the father needs a verified Smart Pass account. When applying, you'll need to enter the baby's name in Arabic and English according to specific guidelines and upload a photo of the baby. The name should be the first name only, without special characters, and not more than 15 characters long. The English name must be a correct conversion of the Arabic name. Documents will be ready for collection within 10 days of application submission, and you'll be notified via SMS when they are ready. Currently, documents cannot be collected from another emirate. For those applying at a public health center or a hospital, submit the application through the e-system and pay the fee. Once the documents are verified, the birth certificate will be issued and can be received by the person concerned or a representative. The required documents for issuing a birth certificate include copies and originals of the marriage certificate, parents' passport and IDs, and the family book. If the mother is of another nationality, her passport with the residency page is also needed. And additional documents are necessary if the birth occurred abroad. For expatriate residents, these documents include the birth notification, marriage document, or a declaration from the parents, and identity cards or passport of the parents. For out-of-hospital births, a letter from the court stating that delivery took place at home, including the place and date of birth and parents' names, is required. The service completion duration is typically 1 working day. The birth certificate can be obtained through the Moheb website. Moheb Smart App, public health centers, and government hospitals under Emirates Health Services, or delivered to the person concerned or a representative. If you need to apply for a new birth certificate because it was lost, all you need to do is submit the following documents: a passport copy of both parents, the Emirates ID card of the applicant, and an approved marriage certificate, the family book, and a letter from the police. In summary, issuing a birth certificate in the UAE can be done through three main methods. 1. Online via the website. 2. Using the Mabruk Mayak package. And 3. In person at a public health center or hospital. Each method has specific steps and required documents, so it's important to have all original documents ready for submission. The process is designed to be efficient, with most certificates issued within 1 working day. If you have any questions about corporate tax rate or reincorporation, visit us at www.emifast.com and give us a call. I'm here to help you make your business a global success.